Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Won't be long now. Going to be probably next Thursday, and the hedge is going to be cut, which is going to be great. Get one of my neighbours coming to do that for me. Here we have a nice fuchsia that'll be flowering next few weeks. As we come down here, down the path to the left. Oh, I just want to show you this. These haven't been sprayed for these yet this year. This is a nasty lily beetle. These can be terrible. These absolutely massacre lilies. So they will be sprayed for them on Thursday when I get some new spray for them. Here we have a pink geranium that'll be flowering soon, which is great. Next up we have some hollyhocks here. This is the tree lily. This gorgeous flowers scented. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous flower here. Here we have a daylily next to that. Here we have some hostas, which are doing great, and this really big daylily here. This is like a purple variety, really nice. Then we have some phlox here, some white, scented, absolutely gorgeous. Some more tree lilies here. And then we have, this is going to be the first one to flower, the first lupin. Got several flower heads on, which is going to be great. Come back round here, another hollyhock, that always flowers really well. Down there, some dandelions, we have some forget-me-nots, some columbines here, some aquilegias, some more aquilegias here. This is the hollyhock. It's got rust on it, as you can see there, on the top and underneath. That needs spraying for that. That'll get done on Thursday as well. Some more aquilegias. Come round here. These are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely love these. With all the flower heads pointed up. The bees have been all over them today. Here we look, another lily beetle there. It's just time of year for them now. Behind that we have a daylily. These are some primulas that have got absolutely gorgeous flowers on. And then here we have a white carnation. Here's one that I layered. I'm going to dig this one up and pot it on that one. Then here we have a Papyrus somniferum, that's the opium poppy. Next to we have some foxgloves, digitalis, and here's my pink carnation. Here's my pink carnation. Here we just pull back. It's got a this is a hollyhock as well. I mean a lupin, sorry. Just right in there. We pull back here. We have some beautiful aquilegias, some columbines, and this is a beautiful pink peony, which is also scented, so that's going to look great. There's Japanese anemones here, we've got beautiful flowers on as well. We have some gorgeous hostas, which have some pale blue flowers. And here we have our gorgeous columbines. And if you see these, just how beautiful they are. Absolutely outstanding there. Aquilegias. A bit further along, just have my hands and knees now. Another hosta. Then we have this double aquilegia. Double aquilegia. With a lily at the side, which is going to be absolutely amazing. Got to get some of these sticky bud weeds. These hollyhocks are looking nice. They're self-seeded. My privet will get cut on Thursday, which I'm really looking forward to. Here we have, this is a dwarf Delphinium, which I'm looking forward to flowering. It has some beautiful blue flowers on there. Come a little bit further. The hosta, and then at the back here, another pink peony. I'm going to cut back this hollyhock. If I cut that back like so, that will give that peony plenty of room to flower then. We also have, here's my clematis, which I planted last year. Just growing really, really well. Looking forward to that flowering. And then here we have my peony. And here we have beautiful peony here. Just get ready to flower. I want to show you. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice dandelion there. Absolutely amazing. As we pull back, this is my oriental poppy, Diane Joyce it's called. Beautiful white, creamy white colour with a black centre. Some lilies there. Bluebells at the back there. Some aquilegias at the front. Here we have, look at these sticky bud weeds. These absolutely get everywhere, these. I'm trying to do what I did last year, which is leave most of this bed here quite semi-wild. But I need to get rid of a lot of these sticky buds. And I can plant some perennial flowers in here, then Here's my pink geranium, some of the first flowers, absolutely good. This is a perennial variety with an oriental poppy, which I think this one's a red one at the side. A hollyhock next to it that's self-seeded. And then 3 or 4 columbines. Yeah, see how quickly this actually grows, but one good thing about this, it can just pull up quite easily. This beautiful white, absolutely gorgeous Aquilegia. These to pull up to the side. I'm showing you how easy they are. Get all this together like so. Give it a good pull. And that is how quick that actually comes up, really easily. And then I can clear some of that then. So look at the bluebells right there, a lily there. Down here we have an Icelandic poppy, 2, a gold and orange one, full of my bleeding heart, Dicentra, which is absolutely amazing. And then at the bottom there, a nice tall Delphinium. This is one of my favourite Aquilegias. I'll take one flower head off just to show you how amazing these are. Just want to show you. Look at those. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of flowers on here. It's absolutely outstanding, and the colour's amazing. Then we have forget-me-nots at the bottom. And I just want to show you these ants. The ants absolutely love getting the sweet sap out of this. It must be really rich in sugar because they go mad for it. As we come down here, forget-me-nots, I have a couple of somniferarum poppies, one there, one there. And we have a Delphinium, a dwarf one, another dwarf one that was grown from seed last year. Planted that last autumn. Some more forget-me-nots, which are really nice. And this really nice, vibrant colour, this Aquilegia. Absolutely mesmerising. And then another Aquilegia, Delphinium, grown from seed. That got some caterpillar damage on it, so that's the way it is, the shape it is. Just see here, some leaves that have gone. So hopefully that'll be a nice flower. Next to that, we have a lupin. This is a purple one, grown from seed. Hopefully, there's several shoots on that. Next to that, another bleeding heart. This one always flower, the first one to flower. I get that one, and then that one comes next. Another dandelion. Let's get this. So don't get any flowers going anywhere, any seed, sorry. Then next to that we have a nice hollyhock, which is coming back nicely now after a lot of caterpillar damage. We had a bearded iris there. Another couple columbines, Aquilegias. That's a beautiful colour. As we come further along, another lupin. This one's, I don't know what colour this one's going to be, but hopefully it's going to be nice. But nice, strong, long flower stems. Then we have here Lucifer, which is a really nice, vibrant red, really nice. We have a couple of tree lilies here that flower really well. These also smell divine. And you have a collection, Aquilegias here, with some forget-me-nots and pride of place. This penstemon, which is bright red with a white centre. When I pull back, I just want to show you my hanging baskets now, which went out yesterday or the day before. This is Quantoc Perfection, this Pelargonium, followed by a ring of begonias, and then a ring of petunias, just to cover all this up. And then the top one here, these, a lot of people don't know this, these petunias are actually perennial. As long as you take them in well before the first frost, and over the winter them somewhere warm, you can keep them for the following years. This has got one big plant in the middle, this one. It smells divine. And then 7 or 8 petunias that grow from seed. So these just starting to get the first flower buds on. So hopefully we'll see a nice collection of colour all the way around there. We come down here, we have, these were plugs from last year, I think from Thompson & Morgan. And these are absolutely red, they're on fire, these. So this will have to dry out. It all died right back to the bottom. And then I started watering it. I think just after Christmas, just before Christmas. Kept it somewhere shaded. And as you can see, every plant is coming through. So I'm going to keep turning that a little bit every week just to get a good even growth all the way around. Down here we have my Cosmos. Been grown from seed. This one was pinched out a few weeks ago. Just want to show you the difference. I've got some here that haven't been pinched out. Look how long they are. This one's nice and thick, this one. And this one, the same height, but a lot thinner. So I'll pinch all these out, and then they can start going in the garden then. Next to that, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 24 sweet peas all growing nicely there, with some violas next to them. And then here, these are my pots from my vertical planters last year. I'm going to keep the same pots. This has got a begonia in there, pelargonium, and it had some petunias that have died back. And this, some of the bench, I even forgot I'd got this, but this is from last year, trailing lobelia. And there is a pelargonium in there, and a petunia, and a begonia. And next to that we have petunias. There's some leftover ones that I just keep watering. And then I have some, what are they? They are rudbeckia, some petunias, some cornflowers in the corner. Next to those we have our agapanthus, and until I've been painting the wood there, it's gone down on that, so I shall nip those leaves off. Don't want to poison them. So that's 2, just get the third one off here. 3, so that's got paint all over my hands, but never mind. And then that's from my vertical planter as well, tipsy topsy. These are my dahlias. There's 3 or 4 in there flowering. We come round, we have my marigolds, which are flowering absolutely amazingly. I am so pleased with those. With a ring of petunias, that are just my leftover petunias. That's why they've been in there a few days, just taking a few days to come spring back to life. And then a ring of sweet peas on this beautiful wigwam. And then a dinner plate dahlia called Cafe au lait, cactus variety. So that they're all going really well. And this one, ring of marigolds, followed by a ring of violas with an orange dahlia in the middle with a ring of petunias. So yeah, as we come round here, another hosta in the border. And then we have here one of my favourite delphiniums. This is a beautiful blue delphinium, absolutely grown from seed, absolutely amazing. Next to my bearded iris, and there's 3 Papua somnifernum poppies here. Big one in the middle, in cabbage stage at the moment, with a little one at the side. And as we come round here, more aqualegias. We have some Icelandic poppies there. And this is my clematis that is just getting ready to flower now. A really double treble. That is going to look really amazing. Some forget-me-nots with some columbine, some aqualegias. Let's take a good look round here now. Just the weeds on the lawn. The grass is getting cut twice a week now. But it's all looking neat and tidy. Here's my second terracotta pot, and he's put a row of petunias all the way around the edge. I'm going to cut this phlox back probably another 8 inches so I get some more flowers on it this year. These are my hybrid agapanthus, always forget the name. Highborn, I think they're called. These are grown from seed, so these I'm going to pop some of these on these to flower this year, fingers crossed. And to sit down here, my foxgloves with my silver birch tree. There's my sweet peas that are all growing really well. Here we have some more agapanthus. A rose cutting. These are rose cuttings that, as you can see there, they're in the greenhouse. They never get watered, but I've got at least one that's growing, which I'm really pleased about, out of them all. And just a beautiful view from here. I love sitting here when it's nice and quiet and the wind isn't going too badly. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.